Welcome to class. In today's class, I'm going to be showing us how to find missing angles in any shape, in any figure, using the three-letter angle notation. Three-letter angle notation. Yes, so just sit back, relax, and see how it works. Yes, I know you're familiar with seeing questions like this. Maybe a triangle, and you say, oh, find angle X, find angle Y, single letter angle representation. But now I'm going to be showing us how to use the three-letter angle notation to find missing angles. Alright, so there's another way in which all these angles, that is X, Y, and Z, can be represented. And that is what we have here. Alright, so look at this symbol. This is angle ABC. So if they're telling us to find angle ABC, how do we know where angle ABC is in this shape? So the first thing I'm going to do is to do the tracing, starting from A, B, and C. Again, A, B, and C. Now you realize that this line here and this line meet at this point. Okay, so where they meet is vertex B. The common vertex is what? B. So these two lines, the line here and the line here, meet at this point, and the angle we have there is what? Angle Y. So, but there's another way in which I can write this. I can also write this way, that is A, B, C. That is the caret symbol being on top of what? The middle alphabet. So, which is the same thing, what? Angle Y. I hope you're getting it. Fantastic. Now, what about angle BCA? The same thing we did initially, we're going to do it now. BCA, I'm going to do the tracing from B, starting from B to C to A. BCA. Where do they meet? They meet at this vertex. They meet at this vertex. So C is the vertex. That is the vertex in between these two lines. Where these two lines meet is where you're going to locate your angle, where you position what? Your angle. I hope you're getting it now. Good. So, and the angle there is what? Angle Z. Angle what? Angle Z. So, I can also write this one this way. B, angle BCA with the caret symbol on top of what? C. These are the ways in which you can see your angles notation be represented. You can see this way or you see this other way. Okay? The same thing. They are still the same thing. So, which is equals to what? Angle Z. I hope you're getting it. Good. And lastly, angle CAB. Angle CAB. C, A, and B. C, A, and B. The common vertex, that is where the two lines, this line and this line, where they meet is this. They meet at this point here. Are you getting it? And the angle there is what? Angle X. So I can also write this one this way. I can say angle CAB with the caret on top of A. And that is what? Angle X. I hope you have gotten it. Very simple, right? Now, before we end today's lesson, I want to also let you know that, yes, even if we say angle ABC, it can also be reversed, okay? CBA. It's still the same thing, but most times we follow alphabetical order, okay, in mathematics. But it can also be the same thing, whether alphabetical order or not. It can also be the same thing. It can be reversed, CBA. For as long as the B is at the center, for as long as the letter B is at the center, CBA. Which means this other one can also be written as what? ACB instead of BCA. They are the same thing. ACB, angle ACB. I'm sure you can actually guess the last one, right? Good. That is what? Angle BAC. Angle BAC. They are all the same thing. For as long as this middle alphabet still remains or still takes that position, it will not alter anything. And that will be all for today's class. I'm sure you will learn something in today's class. And I can't wait to see my next class. And until then, bye.